Hello everybody. I just got a quick video today. I'm going to start a new series of going over a different school curriculum that I use. For each video I'll just pick one item, maybe two items that I use for schooling. And I'm just going to go over things that we use in our school class that might help with ideas for your homeschooling class, or might help you with a certain subject where you're needing to find material for. I'm going to start the series off with this calendar. Every year I pick up this calendar made by Motherword. It's the Ultimate Family Calendar. I get the calendar with it, obviously. And it comes with these things that you can use if you want. A little mini calendar. And it also comes with lots and lots of stickers for different appointments. Like you can keep track of garbage days and recycling, compost. This is new. I've never seen this in here before. Oh, neat. It's a chart to measure the kids. Cute. And these stickers, they're for like doctor's appointments, important days, special days, school trips, lessons, bills due, movie night, sports, do not forget, dad's time, mom's time, birthdays. Lots of stickers to use to put on your calendar to help make each day stand out. Like say I've got a birthday this month, I can stick a birthday sticker on there and write a name, and it makes it pretty. So, and they have nice pictures at the top of each month, which I like. I buy this calendar every year because I like it. I like the fact that it comes with these nice stickers, and it helps me keep track of appointments, things like field trips, stuff like that. So I'm just going to share this with everybody. It might be something you want to look for. It's usually around between $10 to $15. It's not really that bad. It's not really expensive. You can find them at Walmart, on Amazon, at your superstore. They're all over the place. At Staples. You can find them all over the place. And that's it for this video. I just wanted to share this cute little calendar with you. There you go. The Ultimate Family Calendar. Thanks for watching and have a great day.